In this video, we are going to see how we can sign up to a brand new account on ChatGPT. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. First of all, you might have already installed the application, but you don't have any account or you don't own any account. That's not a problem. By the way, if you have installed a new application, you can start a new chat right away, but it will not track the history of it. So to track the history and actually create a personalized account, all you need to do is just click on the top right hand corner on the sign up page or sign up button. Click on that. And here we can continue with the Apple ID, continue with the Google account, or you can use any other email as well. The most convenient one, however, is the Google account. Click on the Google account. Click on continue. And I'll choose an email here. You can log in with the Face ID to keep your data secured. You can continue with it, but right now I'll just skip it. It will take some time, and now we have a brand new account that we can use for AI and keep track of the chats. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.